Plunder and Riffle, once an $8 billion legacy review company. Reviews were cute, but sauce? Bloated. $15 billion spent every year.
Well, not really. That's just what I imagine corporate looks like right now with AI moving this fast. $300 for review software. Bruh.
We found the bigger play, an app that literally pays you to post TikToks. Or you hire a VA to do it for you.